Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products to collection in Shopify. So first things first, here in the homepage, go ahead and go to products. And down below, you can see collections. Click on it. And on the right side of the screen, go ahead and click on create collections. And here, fill out the information needed. I'm gonna write down winter collection and write down the description as well. On the collection side, click down manual and hit save. Once you created a collection, go ahead and click on products and select the product that you prefer. And down below, you can see on the right side of the screen, collection, and click down the winter collection and hit save. If this video helped you out, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.